सन का ट्रांजिट होने वाला है टॉरस में, इन टॉरस साइन when sun is going to transit on 14th May 2024 17:49 p.m. so it is going to be very beneficial for certain signs and it could be bit challenging for other signs. So let's see what is coming for the some good signs. There is going to be some lucky zodiacs where we are going to consider the position of sun, where the sun is going to play the vital role in their life and it is going to add on lots of positivity and success. So let's start with the Aries. For Aries native, the sun is going to rule the 5th house and will take the transit in the 2nd house. Positive results are going to be there. It's going to increase their earning, improve the professional standings and uploading the moral principle with the family and anticipated with the regard of profession. If there is going to be professional growth and consist work with the result in significant pay increases, the recognition from superiors. What else you want? Similar to this, there is chance to make a sizable profit in the business venture if you are lucky and you have interest in the stock market. So you can take a risk for the stock and you can earn a good amount of money. Next is Taurus. In the course of Taurus, solar transit is going to be in the first house. The Taurus is becoming the Lagna, the ascendant. The sun is going to be there in the lord of 4th house. Sukhesh is coming, the planet which can give every kind of sukh. That is coming in your lagna. The people those are born in this sign are going to be very lucky. Generally speaking, there could be many prospects for prosperity and personal growth during this time, and increased propensity engage in real estate and investment operation may exist. Career success and advancement could be moderate, although problems with the relationship with the superiors will occur. So financial gains might, the restricted income levels might not be very high, and savings possibility might still be modest, because as I said that sun is going to be that fiery and masculine energy, and it is coming in the sign of Venus, where the Venus is ruled by a feminine planet, and the water element is there. When fire and water meets, so there will be a different kind of steam, the different kind of phenomena. So there will be some reactions which is not going to be good for some people. If we'll come to next sign, for Cancer, the sun rules the 2nd house for the Cancer natives and would transit to the 11th house, the house of gains, house of desire. So it is like a fulfillment of desires. So you are going to be very satisfied and will reap really positive benefit. Regarding your profession, you can discover that you can acquire recognition and praise, as well as the confidence of your superior also. If you are in the business, this transit may result in higher earning and more satisfaction all around. Furthermore, the steadfast support of your life partner may enhance your relationship, and immune system may remain strong and maintaining your health. Now we'll talk about the Leo, the royal sign. This is sun's own ascendant, and there actually it is going to take the transit in 10th house. So when he sun is coming here, so can give lots of good values to your friendship and partnership, while also receiving wise support from their social circles also. If we'll start talking about your career, there is going to be wise exceptional success may within reach through dedicated efforts. Financially, there is a potential for increased saving and financial stability. Your career will definitely improve, fostering the reinforcement of moral values. Health wise, things will be very positive.